is a real loud diesel. Black smoke, they call me redneck hero. Smokestack.
What is up and good morning, or should I say good afternoon, guys. Duramax Alex here, and just doing another vlog, I guess. Right now we're taking my mom's Honda to go get a oil change. I'm not doing it, it's hot as fuck outside, and that car is so small, and they've been running it, so they just got home like 30 minutes ago, and we're heading now to go get it oil change, and they've been running it. I ain't getting up under there. I'm too much of a pussy. But yeah, so we're going to Jiffy Lube. My buddy works at Jiffy Lube, so it's gonna be cheap as hell for it to get done there. And probably wondering why I'm in the truck, because I also have to get some fence posts. Yeah, let's go ahead and get it going. There's the Honda, little tiny thing in front of me. And yeah, sucks right now because it's right about the same time as elementary kids and middle school kids are getting out of school. So the bus up there is slower than everybody right now. I don't know what my wife is doing, guys. We're supposed to go like further right and not even be on these roads. And right now she's causing unnecessary toll bills for me. I have no idea what she's doing. Turn right here. Ah, she does. Ooh. What the fuck are you doing? So yeah, she realized that she missed a turn. I just kind of balls deeped it across this ditch. She's trying to leave me, boys and girls. Look at this guy at Jiffy Lube making me drive in the car by myself. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. I gotta do it. I gotta do all his work. No? Well, earlier, yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. Let's see where he tells me to go. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm supposed to leave the car on, right?
No.
Huh.
No, you turn it on once you take out the drain plug.
Oh yeah, drain plug, then turn it on. That makes sense.
You just want to make it seem like you did your own shit.
Yeah, that makes sense, man. You can come on this side, it's shady. You won't slip. All the Jiffy
Make
Lube
two for the
secrets.
drop.
Jiffy Lube secrets.
OF 4622.
Oh my god.
Oh, you got a V-check, bro?
Oh yeah.
Fuck, that fucking oil cap's hard as hell.
Yeah, it's hot too.
I hate those oil caps. We're supposed to leave them on fire.
So did you get lost back there? Huh?
You worked with Jason as your boss?
Yeah.
He didn't like you.
No. Hey man. Do you have any words? Why? I hate you so much. I'm trying to make money. Leave me alone.
You can get down on your knees.
Okay, hold on.
You're gonna start making money.
Well, whip it out. For YouTube, whip it out. We're about to fucking light these tires up. We're actually black smoke into this fucking bay. Oh shit. See if we can squeeze into here. Oh, hit the back up, dip down. Oh, gotta get up out of it now. There we go. You know what I didn't measure though? The length.
They all the same length.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay. Walk up to this guy and just measure his wood. Yeah, that's good. Here, hold this.
We need exact size. Next.
No, like I'm thinking that this kind of slid in as I was driving the truck. I might be down, but we're getting these. She said she needed 4.
Oh, I got a scramble.
Let me make that.
You don't want to double check to see if there's one just a tiny bit smaller?
No, not really.
Okay.
Okay, here, I'll do that now. With film, you know. Yeah. Don't smack my phone. Don't smack my phone. How dare you? Yeah, I'm the old guy.
Really, to check?
Hmm?
Did you really?
Yeah.
How many are there?
4. And then I'm gonna get a drink. Yeah, Coke Zero. You want Coke Zero?
Is that it?
That's it.
1271.
I'll film the card. It's my mom's card. Don't do that.
A stick, a 16-foot stick of Ipe, true 5/4 by 6 inch is around $90. Or 16.
That's a lot more than
And then they charge us $1 for, we want to do 8 foot, they charge us $1 a foot.
Ooh, guys. Look at that truck. Fuck. Love it. Alrighty, guys. So we got the oil change done, and we got the wooden fence posts. And I just need to, I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time today to put those on, because I also got to do the light bar, and I don't know if I'm gonna do the light bar today. But for sure, got that stuff done, just getting that stuff. Now I'm heading to go get some stickers. We're here now at the Alpha Print Services. He's the guy that did my hashtag compensation sticker, my white bull, and then my white bull here on the side. Came out real nice. And all those stickers, I had 3 more white bull stickers that I just threw away because all of them cost me 20 bucks. So this guy, if you need some stickers, come hit him up. I found him on an Austin Jeep page. But so I got the new stickers here. One for Instagram and YouTube. And then I got a JIFFY Live sticker. And yeah. But I figure I'm gonna do the light bar when the camera comes in. My wife ordered a camera, and it'd be kind of annoying to have my phone just sit there recording me put the light bar in. So I'm gonna do that when the camera comes in because I can still use my phone to Google stuff if I need to. And then yeah, so stick around for that. Probably happen in the next couple of days.